Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Thakur. Today I'm going to share with you some Women's Day gifting ideas, and these are basically fashion items that you can quickly buy and share it. You can gift it to the woman in your life, like your friend, your girlfriend, your sister, your mother, and she will be impressed by the details you remember. I mean, Women's Day usually is brushed upon and it's not really celebrated, but if you do it, this will definitely make her smile, because I don't think so there is any woman who likes surprises. And thank me later, of course. If you could impress her with this, thank me later, and or you can ask her to comment below and thank me also.
By the way guys, Amazon Mega Fashion Day sale is live and it's till 10th of March. You can grab top fashion brands at up to 70% off. TNC applied. Shop now and hurry up. The links for all the products I showed today will be in the description box.
So let's get started. First one is this beautiful spring colored dress. It's so flattering and it's super affordable, and this is something that any age woman can wear. Young girl, someone who's in college, someone who's working. You can even style this with some bandeau inside if it's too deep for you. Also, if you are going for a vacation in coming future, I think it's perfect for that. The cut is very flattering, the fabric is cute, the color is very beautiful, and it comes with adjustable straps also. So yeah, that's about it. First, second is these earrings. These are gold hoops and quite in fashion right now. I think काफी time से हैं fashion में, and very affordable gifting idea. And these are very affordable and good quality at the same time. But I have one more hoops for you. These are the most beautiful small earrings that I have I have purchased from Amazon. Look at that dainty. I mean, can I bring it close? My camera won't focus, but this is the detail. And it is a half C hoop thing, just like this. It's also half C, just breaks down there. It's not a full circle. That makes it even more comfortable to wear and easy to carry it. This one is another dress I would really recommend for coming dates with her. If you are just starting seeing her, she would love it, because red is, I mean, in my opinion, we keep it for the dates. You know, it's a special color. I usually do not come out in reds, but I have made myself more comfortable with it. But I love wearing red. I love the idea of red to be worn on dates. I mean, I don't know if it's relatable with the girls who are watching this. There are two dresses. The second one is a fitted one. It's a tube one, and it's a perfect season to wear it because I showed it in the Valentine's week. But Valentine's में तो definitely थोड़ी ठंड होती है, so you have to carry a shrug, you have to carry a coat. I particularly won't be tolerating winter much, so right now it's a perfect season. You can wear it, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. Two home decor items to share with you quickly, which I recently shopped from Amazon. One is this Good Vibes Only. So it's a neon sign. It's very affordable. It looks so cute in my aesthetics, the kind of color theme I have going on, and it really makes me feel so happy because it says positivity, it says beauty, it says vibes. I mean, who won't love it? It can be kept in your hall, her vanity. If she's a home decor girl, she will thank you and she will really love it, because usually we are afraid to get these things from online, and since I had a good experience, I definitely encourage you, and also attach a video of this being decorated in some corner of my studio. Last one is this beautiful rug you have seen on my Instagram. You know guys, yeah, seen it. Do this corner. Firstly, I had a fake fireplace here like a decor, but I moved it somewhere else. Let me show you a glimpse of my studio, okay? You only see here and there. So that is my shooting area. You see, it's so, you know, well lit, and yeah, how it is. It's very wide, so I can keep the camera around. And this is my sitting area, and this is my getting ready area. So here is where I'm shooting from. And by the way, oh, my camera got upset. I'm back, And yeah, but when I kept these chairs here, I thought it looks more boho and you know the vibes here. And by the way, this is an electricity board which I am currently decorating, and I'm creating a painting or pasting a painting on top of it soon to make it more like a corner, and you know this will look more boho. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Anyways, so ये रग ने काफ़ी element add कर दिया. I might add a little bit of more plants, maybe bigger plant, snake plant or a palm. I think it's more than 50% complete. Super happy. So yeah, these were the quick gifting ideas for Women's Day.
And one last item I forgot to show you in the initial video is this beautiful ear cuff, and this is a pair, but I usually prefer wearing them singly, but you can wear it like the pair itself, and it's so beautiful. It shines in the light, and I think it's adorable piece of gift.
I just created it very short on time, as you can see, and these are the things that I have recently purchased myself, and I definitely recommend to get for yourself or gift it to her for Women's Day. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye.